Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll solve sum of products. So let's go to problem statement. In problem statement, you can see there an array whose size is n and calculate sum of bitwise and calculate sum of array I and array j for all the pairs in the given array. Okay, where I less than j. So here is two examples. So let's start explain this example. So go to our notepad. Suppose array elements are 5, 10, 15. Okay, first element, sorry, first element, second element, and third element. Okay, uh, and array size is 3. Okay, array elements 3. First 5 value is 101, 10 value is 1010, and 15 value triple 4, triple 1. Okay, 4 times 1, sorry. And what to do? We need to I less than j. Okay, means suppose ai need to find aj. Okay, bitwise sum, bitwise sum. Okay, so shortcut for person. Then we need to follow one what to do through this. First we need to first element 1 and bitwise and first to third or first to second. Okay, first to second, then first to plus first to third, then second to third, second and third. And 5 value in bit and bitwise and 5 value is we need to find 4 bit. Okay, 4 bit, that means 32 bit total. Okay, so by 30 bit, 0 1 0 1 and 15 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, and 10 is, sorry, 10 value is 1 0 1 0 and 15 value is 4 times 1. Okay, then what to do? Next, first element and second element. First element means 5. Okay, 5 and 10. 5 value is 0 1 0 1 and second value is 10. 10 value is 10 10. Then multiply this. 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Okay, plus first element and third element. First element 5, 5 value 0 1 0 1 and third element 15. 15 is 4 times 1. Okay, then its value will be 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0. Okay, plus second and third. Second element 10, 10 means 0 1 0 1 0 and 15, third element 15, 4 times 1. Okay, 4 times 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, so let's add it. 0. Okay, then 0 1 0 1, 0 1 0 1 means 5. Okay, then 5 plus 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 0 means 10. So in addition we will get 15. In output it will show 50. This is the result. Okay, let's go to code. And first of all we need to maximize this, you can see. Okay, then first we need to there follow long operator, long declare ends name value ends equals 0 and 0 and create a for loop for int I equals 0, I greater than 32. Okay, 32. Then increment I plus plus, and then function long count, push count equals to 0, and another nested for int j equals to 0, j greater than n, then j plus plus. Okay, okay, j plus plus. Then condition if array j, if array j and I and 1 into I, then count increment. Okay, then else 1 I, then count 60, count minus 1, then divide by 2. Okay, then submit, then go to return else. Yes, go to for long. Okay, compile it. Yeah, good. Then submit. It's all.